Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by creating a 9/16 project so your shorts fit YouTube natively. Import your phone clips, screen recordings, and any overlays. This saves time when editing. Then scrub through and trim down to the strongest 15 to 60 seconds. Keep focus on one idea. Once done, arrange clips in rough order and mute noisy sections. You'll replace audio later. This first pass makes the timeline lightweight and prevents rework during detailed edits. Now you refine timing and add punch. Match cuts to the music waveform and use 0, 1 to 0. 3-second trims for snappy pacing. This keeps viewers engaged. Apply scale keyframes or Capcut's built-in zooms and speed ramps to highlight actions. Once visuals feel tight, layer music and a clear voiceover. Make sure to duck background tracks so speech stays audible. Use transitions sparingly. They should support the story, not distract, so you finish by exporting H.264 at 1080 by 1920 with a high bitrate and 25 to 60 FPS to preserve clarity. When uploading, craft a short captioned hook, add relevant hashtags, and pick a vertical thumbnail frame. Those increase click-through. If you see audio pops or blurriness after upload, re-export from Capcut checking sample rate, 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz, and codec settings, then upload. Make sure YouTube hasn't auto-compressed an odd bitrate by previewing before publishing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.